All right, Gilbert, a huge improvement over those leaky old Illinois caps, I'd say. I'm gonna straighten these guys out and put a little bit of a little more RTV there. I have a small bead going across the bottom, that should do it, but I just like to put a little bead there as well. All right, and here are some properly cleaned and retention sockets, ready to receive your old Coinbase Fender 6L6s, which seem to be in pretty good shape. So watch carefully right here. Look at the edge of the PCB. Watch this. So everything is loose. This is all contributing to having a noisy playing environment here in this lovely little amp. So stand by. I'm gonna pop these knobs and plates off here, and we'll get to going. I've already reinforced the solder on the flying leads, and I'll clean up the boards themselves after I'm fully done. Bye. Here we go. One of the things that made these old amps special was the tapped treble pot, and they've recreated it here on a PCB type of a pot, which I think is so cool. And here's the other one. That is so cool. So this will give me access to not only change out the bias cap, but also put in an adjustable bias pot there. But now I can clean the pots out, and most importantly, I can dust off this face plate, which is the most satisfying part. Your amp is biased super cold, or minimum would probably be in a 30 milliamp range. You're in 20. Very, very cold. It should be around 40. So chances are you haven't even heard what this thing can do. Right on the nose. That's what we want.